Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, just call me Mister. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so I will check your attendance first. And Yuni Rahmawati.
Present.
Okay. And Danika.
Present.
And Anna. Oh no, Anna is not here.
Yes.
Why? Why is she not here?
She is sick, sir.
Oh, okay, it's alright. Yeah, and right now, get your books, get your modules and pencils out. Okay, okay. For the last meeting, we have learned about the descriptive text. But do you realize that in the descriptive text, we found that we use the simple present tense. The simple present tense. So, do you know about the simple present tense?
No.
No. Really?
No.
Okay. So, since in the descriptive text is tell us about the facts, the description about something. Yeah. So the function of the simple present tense is to tell us, or we will use it when we need to say about the fact or the description or anything else. So I have brought the pattern of the simple present tense here. So as you can see, that the pattern is we need three patterns. The first is for positive, and then negative, and the last one is interrogative. So when we use the positive, we will use subject, of course. It can be person or nouns or animal names maybe. Yeah. And then we will use the verb one. On the verb one, we will use S or ES in the last of the word. So when, okay, for example, I will give you example. So when we will say, she eats noodle every day. Okay, so when we use the pronoun she, it will use the verb one with S. So she eats the noodle every day. But how if we use the I, you, they, we? We will just use the verb one without S or ES. So, for example, you eat noodle every day. So, eat without S or ES. Okay. Any question, everyone?
No.
No? Okay. So, how about the interrogative? Anyone? Okay, Janika, maybe you will stand up to answer. Okay, no problem. It's alright. Just give me your opinion. Okay, stand up, please. Or maybe you can go forward. Yeah. Explain to your friends.
The do or does
Yeah.
is on the first and
The
the subject
first-
is on the second
Okay.
paragraph.
Okay, that's good. Okay, give applause to Janika. Okay, thank you, Janika. Yeah, that's a great answer. So in the interrogative, we will use do or does in the first of the sentence, and then we will use the subject and then the verb one. Okay. And okay, right now please open your module on the fourth page, number 4. Okay, then you will see about the example of simple present tense
Yes.
and then the example. So, do you have any question for the example?
does.
Oh, that's a good question. So when we use the do or does, as I said before, for the verb one with s or es is used in the subject in she, he, or it. So when we use she, he, it, we will use does. But when we use I, you, they, and we will use do. So for the example, you can see in your module, for the example is, do you like without x when we use you. So do you like noodles? And or does she likes with s noodle? Okay. Any questions?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
No.
Right now, since you have understood about this simple present tense, I will give you just okay. Now make just two sentences. It can be positive, negative, or interrogative. Just work in pairs, okay? So Janika and Yuni, you need to make two simple present tense. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay. You can do it right now. Then the time is 1 minute.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. And okay, time's up.
Yes, sir.
Done.
Done.
Okay, done. Good. So for the
Interrogative and negative, yes.
Okay. Maybe you can move forward here and then explain to your friends.
One of us or together?
Yeah. Okay. First, two of you.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
You may bring your papers or something else.
okay.
Yeah.
So, we have made two sentences, and the first one is questions. Do you have money? And the second one is I do not have money.
Okay, I do not have money, and do you have money?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah. Good.
Yes, you may.
Okay.
Okay, everyone. So, Janika and Yuni just gave us the good example, and the example is correct. So, oh, I'm sorry. I think the time is up, and I think that's all. Okay. You may close your group right now. Okay. Thank you for everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam